Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello dessert lovers. In this video I will show you how to make a delicious cream caramel dessert, step by step. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. You'll gently heat 1/2 cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water until it dissolves. Then, increase the heat and watch it transform into a rich, golden amber. Be quick, as you'll need to pour this hot caramel into 4 ramekins right away. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of sugar until they are well combined. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 1/2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour this warm milk mixture into your egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. Finally, strain the custard for ultimate smoothness. Now it's time to bake our cream caramels to perfection. Carefully pour the strained custard over the set caramel in each of your 4 ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish. Then, pour hot water into the baking dish, ensuring it comes about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake this in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still has a slight wobble. The final step is chilling and serving your beautiful dessert. Once baked, let the cream caramels cool completely, then refrigerate them for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin to loosen the custard. Then, invert each ramekin onto a serving plate, letting that luscious caramel sauce cascade down. Serve them cold for a truly delightful and elegant treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.